how to buy a GUNZ token on WEEX. Now this token came under the symbol of GUN. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. Now first of all, open your WEEX account and find your account with some USDT. After that, click on the search icon. In the search bar, type the token name. It will be GUN. Now after that, what you need to do, you can click on this pair that have USDT, and after you click on it, wait a few seconds to load this page to be able to trade this token on your account. Now after that, what you need to do, you can just click the open option, not the close. Now select the limit, and here you can set the amount that you want to buy with that token, and as you can see, click on open log. Now if you select the market, you can drag this to set how much percentage that you want to use of that USDT. Now before that, make sure to select the USDT here and click on confirm. Now please order by cost and click on confirm, and after that click on open log. So this is how to buy a GUN token on WEEX. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.